Hello again, everyone. This is Mr. Hoy. In this scenario, we're going to be factoring a trinomial. As mentioned in the previous videos, you always want to start with a GCF. Look to see if you can factor out a number from each of these three coefficients first. There is no number, actually, though, other than one that goes into 27, negative 22, and positive 7. So because we can't determine a number there, we can just put the positive 1 down here. We then look to see if there are any x's in all three of them. This has 3 x's, this term has 2, and this term has 2. We take as many as we can, so we want to take 2 out of all 3 terms. We then want to take out any y's. We have 5 here, 2 there, but we do not have any on this term. So because we don't have any there, we can't take any out. So we can only really take out an x squared. Technically, we can take out a 1x squared, but dividing each coefficient by 1 is not going to accomplish anything, so I'm just going to view this as x squared. So we're going to divide x squared out of this first term. Again, the 27 is not affected. There were 3 x's. There is now only 1. There were 5 y's. There are still 5 because we didn't take any y's out. We then will look at the middle term. Again, the coefficient was unchanged. We had 2 x's. We took both of them away. We had 2 y's. We still have 2 y's because we didn't take anything away. With the last term in the chain here, we had 7 as our coefficient, and we still have that because we didn't divide it by anything. We had 2 x's. Both of those were divided out, so we are actually done factoring this term. As I mentioned previously, it's a good idea here to look at all 3 of these terms and look to see if there's anything else that can come out of them. Sometimes you'll factor a term out, and then you'll realize later that it's not fully factored. So to fully factor this one, we want to look again to see what's in the parentheses and to see if anything else can come out. So in this case, there is definitely no number that can go to 27, 22, and 7. This term here does not have any x's, so x's can't come out. And this term on the end here does not have any y's, so y's can't come out as well. So we're left with a prime factor inside of the parentheses and the x squared on the outside, so we have successfully factored this question.